Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. So today is super exciting because I wanted to come on here and talk about Black Friday, you guys. My very first Black Friday. Oh my gosh. So fun fact about me, I started my business last year. So it launched November 1st, 2019. And I did not participate in Black Friday to the extent that I am doing this year, okay? So last year I just had like a little discount code that people could use to get some money off. Like it was nothing crazy at all. So this year I definitely wanted to plan out a full Black Friday sale. Like I wanted to participate fully in Black Friday. So that is what I'm doing. And I wanted to make this video today because I want to let y'all know some tea, a little bit of tea. So right now, as you're watching this video, you can go ahead and shop my pre-Black Friday sale. And what I have done is I've put all of my wholesale items on sale. So everything is discounted when it comes to wholesale filled tubes, lip gloss containers, empty tubes, stuff like that. Samples are even on sale, you guys. So I put the majority of the wholesale stuff on sale because this is pre-Black Friday. Like we're already in October. So I wanted to make sure that you guys out there that have lip gloss businesses as well are able to have a Black Friday sale for your customers. Like people that shop wholesale with me need to have a Black Friday sale too. Like how are y'all supposed to have y'all sale on time if I don't run the sale until right before Black Friday or at Black Friday or whatever the case may be? So I set it up this way so that you guys have time to shop and so that I have time to fill orders and enough time for Black Friday. So this is my pre-Black Friday sale. I am going to be doing a Black Friday sale for all of my retail items. So all of my personal collections and stuff like that. Like I'm definitely gonna put that stuff on sale during the actual Black Friday time. But I wanted to put the wholesale stuff on sale first. So we're doing like a wholesale blowout. So the sales are super amazing, you guys. You can get 8-ounce clear containers right now for $35. Like all the containers are on sale, pigmented and clear. Like this is crazy. And then even crazier is the wholesale filled tubes sale. So you can get 20 filled tubes for $50, which is a steal, okay? Or you can get 50 filled tubes for $110. So pick which deal you want to partake in and make sure that you are stocking up, you guys. Stock up for your business. Get ready for Black Friday. I literally was just like, oh my God, like if I don't do this now, they're not gonna be able to have Black Friday for their customers. Like what? We need to get this thing going. So me and my mom had to sit down and plan everything out. So I'm really excited to be launching this for you guys, and I hope that you guys take advantage so that you can have a sale for your customers as well. I knew that if I didn't discount my wholesale prices, there was no way that you guys were going to be able to discount y'all's prices for your customers either. So I'm just excited. We're getting into the season. We're getting into the holiday time. This is like my favorite time of the year. So definitely super, super excited about Black Friday. Now, you thought that was good? Okay, no, I have more tea for you. I have just a little bit more tea for you. So also during this wholesale pre-Black Friday blowout that we're doing, there is also free shipping, okay? Free shipping on wholesale. What? Free shipping on wholesale, you guys. So make sure whatever you need, you go ahead and stock up on it. This is just like crazy. I've never done anything like this. I have never, not one day since I've been in business have I had free shipping on my website. So you definitely don't want to miss out on this. Like I said, $35 clear 8-ounce containers. Okay, here's one of my 8-ounce containers right here. So yeah, 8-ounce containers are super popular. Also 16 ounces, but all of them are on sale. So really stock up on whatever it is that you need. So I definitely had to come in here with a screen recording so that I could show you guys what the sale is actually looking like on my website. So all of the wholesale items are listed under the Start Your Own Business tab, and I still do have all of my flash sale wholesale kits up. The ones that I have available, I did restock them, and as you can see, a lot of them are half off, you guys. So you can get sets for as low as $40, which is so crazy. These wholesale sets are already made, so the colors and the scents are already made up, so you can't customize them, but that's what makes it so easy and convenient. You can just pick these up and it's super quick and easy. I also have my eyelash and eyebrow serums on sale for $25. I still do have the gloss kits, the flash sale gloss kits, and these are now $50. So basically, if you wanted to, you could start your business for $50 and have 35 glosses with one color for your business, which I think is amazing, especially with the free shipping, you guys. Oh my gosh. And then the samples are on sale for $1 samples, y'all. So if y'all have been looking to try a gloss, now is the time to try it out before you purchase in bulk. And then, like I said, my lip gloss containers, those are also on sale, so you can just browse around to see what the different prices are for the different sizes. Everything is listed there for you, so all of the information you need is going to be on my website. Literally the best steal for you right now is going to be the wholesale lip gloss, the filled tubes. These prices are super crazy. They've never been like this. So you can get 20 wholesale tubes for $50, or you can get 50 wholesale tubes for $110. Literally just $110. So you can pick which colors and which scents you want, add them to your cart, and then when you go to your cart, you will see that your shipping is $0. How crazy is that? So basically what I did with the shipping is all of the items that you would normally pay $18 for shipping, these are the items that have free shipping. So you definitely don't want to miss out on that. I do have some smaller items like my samples and my pipettes that don't have free shipping. You still have to pay the standard $8 shipping for those. I don't charge the full wholesale shipping for those items because they're so small and they're so lightweight. So yeah, definitely take advantage of the items that do have free shipping during this Black Friday sale. Like I said, you guys, I'm just so excited. Plan for the season, but also maybe plan a little bit ahead. If you want to stock up on some inventory for a little bit past Black Friday, maybe you want to stock up for some Christmas stuff, you can do that. I have all of my fall scents available, all of my fall colors available, so all of that stuff is available for wholesale filled tubes and also for lip gloss containers and for samples too. So if there are any colors that you were looking at getting for the fall times, for the cozy season times that you just haven't picked up yet, you guys, now is the time to do it. Can y'all tell that I'm excited? Because I'm really excited. Like, oh my gosh, it's my first Black Friday. What? Ooh. So yeah, I wanted to come on here and tell you guys that, let you guys know Black Friday is in full effect, okay? So that's what I wanted to talk about for the first part of this video. Let you guys know all the sales are live. Go ahead and shop. Website is down below as always. Today is Thursday, so I'm literally like doing the most right now. It's just really crazy. I'm back filming on my vlog camera. I have not picked up this camera in so long, you guys. So if you don't know, I have this Canon camera right here. This is a Canon T5. So this is the camera that I was using for like all of my photography stuff when I was in school. That's really why I got the camera, because I was really into photography and I wanted to learn how to do it. And this was like a basic starter DSLR that I picked up, well, that my parents picked up for me before I even got to college. So I started learning how to use this, and I was filming my YouTube videos with this for a time, but it's super, super hard sometimes when you don't have a monitor, or you don't have this, or you don't have that. So I stopped using this, and then I picked up the Canon G7X Mark II, which is the camera that I'm filming on right now. And I was using this for vlogging and everything. And then I just realized that literally my phone was just the easiest thing to work with. So I've just been using my phone, and even though the iPhone has such good quality, it's just like it doesn't compare to the quality of an actual camera, like an actual professional camera. Sometimes when it comes to the video, like you have to have really, really, really good lighting for the iPhone quality to look really crispy, how I like it. So yeah, I picked up the camera because I want to start using my vlog camera again for my vlogs. Like, I'm trying to step up the quality for y'all. I'm trying to be, you know, back on the level of excitement that I was back when I first got the camera. I'm like, I literally got my parents to purchase this. I used it for a few months and then totally stopped using it. So I have a lot of resources laying around that I just don't use, and I'm really trying to change that, okay? I'm trying to change that. So yeah, I'm back filming on the camera. It's a little bit tricky with the focus sometimes, so hopefully this video is looking okay. I think I'm doing okay. Got a little viewfinder at the top, so I think I'm doing good. But yeah, I just wanted to come on here and chat with y'all for a little bit because I have some time right now before I start to work on my computer. Like I said, today's Thursday, so I've been preparing for my podcast episode that I'm going to be filming this week, which happens tomorrow. I've been seeing all of your questions. I've been seeing all of your sweet messages and everything, so I'm taking all of that into account, you guys. I'm applying all of your feedback, like all the questions that you guys have been asking me. I have definitely been incorporating those into my upcoming episodes, so I'm very excited. I'm really excited for tomorrow's episode, like seriously. So yeah, make sure you guys are following my podcast. If you have Apple products, make sure you're subscribed on Apple Podcasts, and also you can access it on Spotify, you can access it on Google Podcasts, and there's a bunch of other podcast platforms out there as well if you want to utilize those. And then you guys know I post the visuals here to YouTube. So yeah, just a little shameless plug going on here. But I'm just chilling, y'all. Like, today has been such an unpredictable day. Like, I have a lot of stuff going on. I got a lot of stuff done today. I have a lot more stuff that I need to do, but it's been really crazy. Like, I don't know. Life is just crazy right now, huh? Yeah, and then you guys have been asking me about Instagram Live. I have not been on live in a minute. So I might actually get on Instagram Live tonight. I don't know, it just depends. I don't know why I'm trying to do everything tonight. Like, I wanted to film this video tonight. I wanted to edit this video tonight. I wanted to film other videos tonight. I've been filming ever since I got home from working on lip gloss. So I'm just like, why do I want to do everything in one day? I guess it's just like, once I get really excited, I just don't know how to turn that off. Like, once the creative juices are flowing, I have to tap into them or I might lose them. So I guess that's just what it is. Cozy season is in full effect, you guys. My very first fall collection. So excited about that. It's just a lot of stuff going on. It's a lot of stuff to be celebrating. Oh, that's what I want to tell you guys about. Okay, so it is a huge goal of mine to hit 20,000 subscribers here on YouTube by the time that Smudge turns 1. So my 1-year anniversary is coming up. That's another thing that's happening that I'm planning for, that is low-key kind of stressing me out just a little bit because I want things to be a certain way, okay? So Smudge turns 1 on November 1st. I'm so happy. I can't believe I'm just about to hit 1 year. Like, what? It feels like it's been so much longer, but I haven't even been in business a full year yet, you guys. So I really want to hit 20K on YouTube before or by the time that Smudge turns 1. And the way that I've been growing steadily every single month, I know that it's possible, but these days are flying past me so quickly. Like, oh my gosh, like we're almost halfway into October already. So I just wanted to let you guys know, help your girl out, support your girl, okay? I see y'all sharing my videos. I see y'all with the links and everything on Instagram. I love y'all so much. So make sure you tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to subscribe to my channel, because we are on the road to 20K and we're gonna get there quickly. I'm just so grateful and so excited. So I don't think I've said that in a YouTube video just yet, that was kind of like my goal right now, but now I did. So help me out. I can't do this without you guys. So tell people that you know. Just let anybody know, anyone that you think would be interested in the kind of content that I've been creating and putting out. Make sure you let them know about me and to help me reach this goal of mine. I would just be so happy and so grateful to reach it by the time that Smudge turns 1. So I'm really planning out a lot of content for y'all. Like, I'm trying to double up on content if I can, so that I can just be like out there even more, so that that'll also help me with gaining subscribers and stuff like that. So yeah, you guys, I have goals that I'm trying to hit. We have holidays coming up. We have things that are happening. So that's really all that I wanted to talk about in this video. Just a quick update to let you guys know that Black Friday is in full effect for Wholesale. So make sure you are clicking the links down below to shop. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you for being here on this journey with me. I just still can't believe that I can just come into my office and sit down and turn my vanity on and film a video whenever I want to. So crazy. Oh my gosh. Yeah, so I'm literally gonna be filming around my whole apartment. Like, I'm just gonna go from one spot to the next. I need to get new lights so that I can just drag my lights wherever I want them to go in the house, you know? I'm working on it. But yes, you guys, I love you so much. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe down below. And I will see you guys in my next video. Happy Black Friday shopping. Period. Yes.